so what we just do?
Catch a fish.
Got our first fish, right? Yeah, man. Alright, so as you can see from the intro, we got my son tagging along today, and Shay and I had a fishing trip planned today. We've scheduled for the last few weeks, and been trying to get together and fish really since our Hazel Creek trip back during the summer, and just really haven't been able to get our schedules together. And so we planned this day several weeks back, and unfortunately my son's been sick the last few days, but thought we might have to cancel our trip, and thankfully he's actually feeling better, so we're just gonna let him tag along since he can't go to school and see what we can get into. And it's supposed to be an absolutely gorgeous day. It's supposed to be really warm, and hopefully fish will be biting. So we're looking forward to it. I know Bryant's happy to be with us, and I think it'll be a pretty day. Think we're gonna catch one in there? Think we can catch one? Okay. See, it's a pretty little run. If I can not fall. There we go. Nice. You wanna see it? We'll get over here. We gotta keep him wet, okay? Let's get him back down here in the water. You can stand right here beside me, okay? Let me get the hook out of him, and then I'll let you, if you want to, you can let him go, okay? You wanna let him go? Get our hands wet. And then we're gonna get this little hook out of his mouth. I'm gonna show everybody that pretty wild rainbow, huh? A pretty, pretty fish. All right, I'm gonna get him wet, and I'm gonna let you let him go, okay? Hang on. He's slimy, isn't he? All right, hang. Oh, all right. So what we just do?
Catch a fish.
Got our first fish, right? Yeah, man. I'm gonna go right up here, okay? Nice. Three fish, bro? Oh, you see that? Did you see that? He came out and took it right off the top. Oh no, I can't see it. It's so there's so much glare. Man, that's cool. He took it literally right off the top. Yeah, just like Good job. There he goes. He was a happy fish, wasn't he? Good job. That good sandwich? Lunch is better by the river, right? I think so too.
this hole. So if you can drag it right through the middle of that, but they're real low. Whoops. Oh! But he hit it so hard. Come here. Get my net off. All right. Can you net him? Keep him in the water, okay? Hang on. Let me get you. Can you net him? There you go. Get him. Oh, get him, Brian. Get him. Now step back out of the water. You're in the water. Oh, up. Step up. There you go. You netted him, man. Good job. Keep it up. Now keep him this way. Reel. Keep it up. Keep that rod tip up. Good job, man. Let me see if I can get him for you. Oh, there we go.
That's a big one.
Look at that. Did you get it? Turn him up right there. There you go. Now flip him over. Now just gently let him go. Good job, Bri. That was perfect, man. Great job.
There you go.
Yep. He's sitting right on that log, happy and ready to go eat again. Good fish. Nice. It's a pretty fish right here. See him?
I don't let him go.
So if you spent much time watching videos or poking around the channel, you know that I love fly fishing. It's pretty obvious. I would say though, I love anything with the outdoors. I love hunting, I love fishing, I love hiking, and there's one thing that makes all those things better, and that's anytime you get to spend it with your friends or your family. And today was one of those days where I got to do both. I got to spend a day on the water with a close friend and my little bud, my son, and it just doesn't get much better than that. Days like today leave us some memories that'll go with us for a lifetime.